What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Solution Seekers Hub. And today we're diving into the world of customer relation management platforms and comparing two popular options, HubSpot and Zoho. Both platforms have their strengths and weaknesses, and by the end of this video, you will have a clearer understanding of which might be the right fit for your business. But before we jump into the pros and cons, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's get started. Let's start with HubSpot. HubSpot is praised for its user-friendly interface, making it easy for users to navigate and access powerful features. The integrated marketing hub in HubSpot allows users to seamlessly manage and automate various marketing tasks, from email campaigns to social media posts. HubSpot provides robust analytics and reporting tools, helping businesses track their performance and make data-driven decisions for continuous improvement. One major strength of HubSpot is its extensive list of integrations, allowing users to connect their CRM with other tools and platforms for a more holistic business approach. HubSpot is known for its exceptional customer support, offering various resources, tutorials, and a responsive support team to assist users in resolving issues promptly. But on the other hand, HubSpot's pricing might be steep for smaller businesses, making it less budget-friendly. The platform's extensive features may have a learning curve, requiring time and effort to master. Setting up HubSpot can be more involved compared to simpler platforms, potentially delaying your marketing efforts. While there's a free version, some advanced features are restricted to higher-priced plans. On the other end, Zoho stands out with its affordable pricing tiers, providing businesses with various options to choose from, catering to different budgets and needs. Zoho offers a comprehensive suite of applications beyond CRM, including project management, invoicing, and more, making it an attractive all-in-one solution for some businesses. One of Zoho's strengths is its advanced customization options, allowing businesses to tailor the platform to their specific processes and workflows. Zoho is highly scalable, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes. It can grow with your company, accommodating increased data and user requirements. Zoho provides excellent multi-channel support, enabling business to engage with customers across various channels seamlessly. However, some users may find Zoho's interface and feature set a bit overwhelming initially, requiring time to get accustomed to the platform's extensive capabilities. While Zoho integrates with numerous third-party apps, some users have reported challenges in setting up and managing these integrations compared to more user-friendly platforms. While Zoho offers a mobile app, some users have reported limitation in terms of functionality and user experience compared to the desktop version. Compared to HubSpot, Zoho's marketing automation features are perceived by some users as less sophisticated, potentially requiring additional tools for advanced marketing needs. In conclusion, both HubSpot and Zoho have their strengths and weaknesses, and the choice between them depends on your business's specific requirements, budget, and preferences. I hope this comprehensive comparison helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which CRM platforms you prefer. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.